Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of reservation booking QR code for Magento 2. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how the admin would be able to generate the QR code for the event tickets and how the admin can recognize a person at the time of event entry so as to authenticate that particular person. So before we proceed further, let me give you an overview of this particular extension. So this extension is basically an add-on to the Magento 2 rental appointment hotel event booking and reservation module, and it introduces the QR code functionality within your web store event products. The quick response or the QR code is basically a barcode in matrix form that can be generated under the order section after an order status is set as completed. So basically it can be used by the event organizer to recognize a person at the time of event entry and thus authenticating the particular person. So a customer basically purchases the event tickets from the web store front end, and after the customer places the order, the rest of the steps are done by the admin so as to generate the QR code. So let's get ahead and let's see how this particular add-on works and how the customer would be able to purchase the event ticket from the web store front end, and after that how the admin can generate the QR code and can authenticate the respective person itself. I am at the web store front end, and we have a category named events, and here there are two products. One is the New Year event, the other one is the Fun with Salsa. So what I'll do is I'll just go for the Fun with Salsa. So to book the ticket, what I'll do is I'll first sign into my account at this particular web store, and on the login page I'll just tap the login button. So right now I'm logged into my account here at the web store. So here I'll navigate to the page or the event product page, and this is the event product page right now, and here you can see the name of the event, the cost of this particular event ticket, and it ranges from $10 to $15. So it's the cost that is going to be charged per ticket. We have the details of the venue, we have also a contact us option, and we have the details of this particular event, like the exact date and the time and the duration of this particular event as well. Apart from that, we can also see the other details of this particular event, like the we have a stag entry, we have a couple entry. So we have different what we say as the pricing for the stag and the couple entry, and we can also check some more information here regarding this product. So now what we need to do is we need to buy this particular event ticket. So let me get ahead. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and I'll select the number of tickets I want for the stag entry and the couple entry. It depends upon your requirement. If you're a stag, you can choose this. Otherwise, if you are a couple, you can make use of the couple entry. So after selecting these two, I can tap the buy tickets. So here you can also see that there's an option view on map. So the customers can also check the location details using the Google Maps. So let me open this page up. So here you can see that the address has been found and the location is being shown here on the map with a red icon there, the location icon. So now let me go ahead and let me tap the buy tickets button, and this would add a single ticket for the stag and 2 tickets for the couple into the what we say as our cart. So here you can see that we have the details as well for each of the tickets that we have added into the cart. So here we have the stag entry, and the other one is the couple entry, and the quantity is 2 for that, and 1 quantity for the what we say as the stag entry. So now let me go ahead and let me proceed to the checkout so as to purchase this particular event ticket. So I'll just tap the proceed to checkout button there, and this would navigate us to the next step for the checkout. So here I need to select my payment method, as this is just a demonstration. So I've already set the check and money order option from the backend. So here what I'll do is I'll directly go ahead and I'll be tapping the place order button so as to place the order for the tickets. So I've just tapped the placed order button. Now the order has been placed, and what I can do is I can check my order details by tapping this order ID here, and this brings up the details of the particular order that I've just placed. So here you can see that we have the items that we've ordered, and we have the billing and the payment method as well. Now after the customer has placed the order, now to generate the QR code for the event ticket, what we need to do is the admin needs to basically complete the order. So whenever the status of this particular order is set to completed, the QR code would automatically be generated for the particular event. So for that, let me go to the backend once again. So here initially I told you that for generating the what we say as the QR code, we need to go to the view booking order section, but before that let's go ahead and let's complete the order first. So I'll navigate to sales orders, and here we are on the orders page, and here is the order that we have just placed, the order number 31. And the status of this particular order is pending right now, as you can see under the status column here. So what I'll do now is that I'll open this order up, and what I can do is I can generate the invoice for this particular order so as to set the status of this order as completed. So right now there's nothing there. So what I'll do is I'll submit the invoice, and after the invoice has been generated, now I can navigate to the ticket info and status section here, and here you can see the ticket details. The admin can email the ticket to the customer, and the admin can also download the PDF for the ticket. So let me open the PDF as well, and let's tap the email ticket button so as to email the ticket to the customer. But before that, let me open this ticket that I have downloaded, the PDF of the ticket, and let's see what different details are visible within that ticket. So here's the order number 31. We have a couple entry for 2, and we have a stag entry for 1. The total price was $50. And the details like the book by, and here's the QR code that has been generated for this particular event ticket. So let me close this page now. The other option that we have here is the email ticket. So tapping that up would allow us to send the email to the customer. So here you can see that the mail has been sent successfully to the customer. So here's the email that the admin sent out to the customer, and this also is for the order 31. And here you can see the title of the event with the venue and the date, and the confirmed number of tickets, the total price, and the QR code as well. So now whenever the customer reaches the event place, the admin or any of the persons there can directly make use of a QR code reader, one that is there with default within the browsers. So that can also be used to read this particular QR code, and the admin after that, or that person, would be able to verify the ticket. So let me show you how that gets visible on the mobile phone when the admin or the person scans the code. For that, I'll be taking you back to the back. Just give me a minute for that. So basically whenever the code is being scanned at the event, this kind of a success message would be visible to the person who is scanning the QR code, and thus the customer would be authenticated. So that was about the authentication process there. Now let's get back to the section that I was explaining. So here I showed you under the ticket info status, after we generated the what we say as the invoice, I showed you how to download the PDF at the admin's end to the ticket details, how to send the email to the customer by tapping the email ticket link here, and I also showed how to scan the QR code at the event place to authenticate the customer. So now if you want to see the details of the booking, then we can tap the advanced booking and system side menu, and we can tap the view booking orders menu option. So let me tap that up. So this brings up the bookings section, and here the admin can find a list of all the orders that have been placed for the event products. So here is our order number 31, and we can see the booking from and till dates with the time as well, with the customer email. And here we can also tap the view button to check the what we say as the booking details for this respective order that has been placed by the customer, and it again navigates us to the sales section or the order details section, where we generated the invoice first, and we could then see the ticket info and the status. Now let me go to the front end. Let me see how the details of the ticket are visible to the customer there. So for that, I'll take you to the front end now. So here I am at the web store front end, and I'm already logged in as a customer, and under my orders section I'm at the order number 31 right now. So here you can see that the item ordered section was already there. Then we generated the invoice, so the customer has the option to check the invoice. And lastly, here we have a ticket tab, so the customer needs to tap that up, and here he can find all the details of the particular ticket with the QR code as well. So here the customer can tap the print ticket to print the ticket. He can also download the PDF file for this particular ticket and can save it in his mobile device as well. Otherwise, he can email this ticket to his colleague or someone else. So so that was much about the QR code functionality for the event tickets that we have what we say as we have incorporated within this Magento 2 rental appointment hotel event booking and reservation module. And hope this video tutorial helped you out. So if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular reservation booking QR code for Magento extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uads.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.